if you're doing multi-select, it's pretty awesome. You might want to move a bunch of fields at the same time. What you do is you hold down Shift and then you click and drag. You'll notice that I've selected 4 boxes here, and then I can move them around as I choose. I can also cut and paste. So if I hit Command X on Mac or Control X on Windows, it will cut all the fields. Then you scroll to the page that you want. So I'm going to demonstrate that right now. Scroll to the page that I want. And I'm just going to hit paste, and you'll notice that these boxes showed up here. They show up in the same position on the page as they did on the previous page because PDFs are kind of a coordinate-based system. Pretty easy, pretty nice for moving boxes around. I'm going to move these back up here. And I'm going to just deselect them. The next thing is called multi-align. So I'm going to do this. Just like move these around a bit, you know. So you notice like these boxes are no longer aligned. I can highlight them all, and then you'll have these nice align features up on the top to line them up nicely. You can see that. You can also do things like resize multiple boxes at the same time. So if I just grab these all, it actually resizes them accordingly. And then I'm just going to move these back to make this PDF nice and neat. Other things you can do with multi-select is draw a couple of boxes here. And let's say these are all supposed to be date boxes. I can select all of them, and then I can set the type across all of them at the same time. It could be a date, it could be a phone number, it could be any of these field types. So I'm going to just go ahead and set this one to be email. So now they're all email fields. Anvil does a nice job of automatically filtering down the functionality here to the things that can apply to all the boxes. So here you'll notice field name is various. I can rename them all to be the same field name, right? I can set fields to be centered. So it's really filtering it down to the specific type of actions you can take on the superset of boxes you've selected.